So we are down here in Porto Judeu. Try not to move the camera too fast. This piece of property is actually on loan to us. The lady said that we can actually use it for as long as we want. And you little doggy, little doggy. It looks like someone's already been down here chopping away. But this is the little piece of property over here, you guys. So exciting. Let's take you to the edge of it so that we can get a nice view of the water. So it's, babe, is it this plot plus that one over there? Oh, cool. Look how close to the water it is, you guys. So exciting. Try not to make you guys sick, but I want to show you everything. I keep panning quickly. Wow. What a beautiful view. It's going to be so nice to work this land and then just look over and the water's literally right there. And there's the little gym that we've been to. The little outdoor gym. That'll be fun. How exciting. What a beautiful view. How did we get this lucky to be able to get this little spot this close to the water for as long as we want? Dad must have some connections. Okay, so I guess it's this plot right here of land. This one that I'm standing in. And the one on the other side of it. And we're going to be putting corn here. Look at the flowers. Everything's so beautiful.
Over here, son, and that, and that. That's the land, okay? It's about, I'll tell you, it's about an acre, a little over an acre.
They're small. Hey guys, Miley and I are going to walk to this little cafe that's over here. It's one of our favorite places to go to. Plus, it's super convenient because it's right around the corner. So like that was our house. This is where the cafe is, right over there. Come with us as we walk to the cafe. We're gonna get some sweets. It's a beautiful day outside. So that they used to like wash clothes in like a long time ago. And look at this lot over here. It looks like someone is planting some sort of squash or something. Maybe pumpkins. I doubt it's pumpkins. Probably like kiwi or squash or something like that is what it looks like. So this is the cafe. So cute. How cute. This is new. They have ice cream and then like, what is that, cigarettes, I think? The actual bakery is right across the street right there. And they just like bring everything fresh right across the street. Okay, you guys, let's reveal what we got over there. How do you say the name of the place? I don't know how to say it, honestly. You'll have to forgive me. And I don't really like to butcher names, so I just leave it the name out. But we got two little chocolate scones. Yum, yum. We got an apple one. It's chocolate with cream in the middle. Oh, these are croissants, not scones. And then we got a chocolate on chocolate cupcake. Yummy. I got a Mylate. Is that how you say it? Mylate, I believe. And then some milk, some late, and then some popsicks, right? That's how you say it? Popsicks, I think is how you say it. 2 bags. These were only like $1.20 or so. I'm getting chocolate all over me. But all of this, so the 2 bags of popsicks, the coffee, the milk, and the 5 pastries, all of this for only $10.90. That's crazy, because if you go to Starbucks, like these are $3 each, basically. Something like that would be like $3 each. So we're definitely getting a deal here. So this is like one of the crazy things about the island. It's sunny, nice, bright, sunny day. All of a sudden, we're out here trying to get some work done, potatoes. It starts raining. So we're probably gonna cut it early today. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe go to lunch and then see if it stops raining by then. Okay, so the rain subsided just a little bit, but it's probably gonna be a consistent thing here. So what I'm doing is right now I am harvesting, or picking up, I should say, the little potatoes, not those big ones, but those little potatoes, because I like to use those in like soups and like stews and stuff like that. So the guys like are leaving those ones behind, I noticed. So I'm just going around and picking up some of the little guys, and I'm gonna keep those for myself. We're gonna grub those later. You guys, I am such a mess. My hair is crazy. My face is so red. And I haven't worked this hard since I was like 17 years old, when I worked like a labor job, when I was in much better condition. So you see this whole field right here? Like, that is what we've done so far. And you guys have seen our videos of us like weeding the potatoes and then mounding the potatoes. And that was hard work. But I will tell you, none of it is as hard as what we're doing today. We have our little plow or whatever it's called. What's that little thing called? The machine? Rototiller. We got our little rototiller, and that's something, I don't know the name of it, but you can see our little machine over there, which has been helping us a lot. But bending over, picking up the potatoes, hauling them over in the buckets, all of that is really, really hard work. And again, it's like a really warm day today, but I want to show you guys what we've pulled out so far. And this is like our third day of doing this too. We did some like a couple of weeks ago. Look at, we've pulled all of that out by hand today, pretty much by hand today. That's just crazy, you guys. And our little rototiller, or whatever it's called, would be much more, hold on, the wind is coming. But yeah, so the rototiller, or whatever it's called, has technically 2 flat tires right now. So basically, like, the rim is just sitting there and spinning inside the tire, and my brother-in-law is like having to push it using his own strength, which is really, really hard. I actually have one of the easier jobs, of course, but yeah, squatting and bending over and lifting the heavy buckets of potatoes is not an easy job. And the weather, it's pretty warm today. You don't want it raining, but you also don't want it to be, you know, super, super hot. But overall, it'll be, you know, rewarding. All of the work that we do on the farm is rewarding in the long run. We'll have potatoes for a whole year probably. Even if we like cut them up and then freeze them as like French fries, we can also, you know, do something like that as well too. But potatoes last a really long time. And then I think we're also going to sell some of them as well too, because we're realizing how many potatoes are actually coming out of this harvest. And mind you, we've only done about half of what, not even half technically, of what we actually have to pull out of the ground. We got most of the red potatoes done. But we will be doing some of the yellow potatoes tomorrow. So stay tuned. If you like to watch us work hard, if you're sitting and watching, make sure to have a cocktail for me, okay? That's so many potatoes. This was all from yesterday. And there was some here, about the same amount, if not a little bit more, of the red potatoes. And there's so much more that's coming. Okay, so this is the second haul of potatoes here. One truck full, I guess you could say. Good morning, farm fam. Today we have a special guest on the farm today.
Doesn't snap.
It should snap, kind of, yeah.
I need to twist the lid. If it doesn't fit right, we twist it.
Okay, once those are on, you can get in there and help him,
You
Logan.
can gather what's all around on the ground too, because there's still some good stuff on the ground right there. All where we're stepping right here, Logan. Just scoop it. See where you're stepping? In the flat down here, right on the ground. It's all covered with that stuff. Scoop that all up. That's all still good, dude. We're gonna end up scooping this up anyway.
I mean, you could go hop the wall if you want to.
Where's the food go?
The food goes right there in that trough on the other side of the wall. Yeah.
Mom told me they don't like the stick.
They don't. You just tap them with it. They don't like it. Touch them with it.
There's
And they
some
don't
food
like
in here. Hold
it. Oh, there is?
on. Pour it in there.
You gotta smack it on the trough. Go ahead, do it. Smack it just like he's doing on the bucket, but on the trough to knock all that out of there.
I'll pour it on the left side.
You're gonna might just have to pour it wherever you can pour it, but yeah. You can move them a little bit with the stick. They don't.
All right, buddy, good job. I'm proud of you for being brave to get in with the pigs on your first try.
It wasn't even that bad.
Okay. This is just the feeding of the animals part. The rest of the farm stuff is where the hard work comes in. Like the potatoes that you won't have to do on Monday because you're going to go to school. Escola.